Hello, guys. Welcome to Quiz and Quotes, and we are starting a new series on the multiple choice questions for sure shot success under banking segments. Here we'll discuss the important questions which are possibly come in your examinations, your competitive examinations, and which are very vital for your success. So take it carefully, see it, practice it number of times, and as rightfully said, practice is the key of all the successes. So without wasting time, let's go to the question series. And the first question coming to you is this. Which of the following is not a regulatory institutions in Indian financial system? Which of the following is not a regulatory institutions in Indian financial system? And the options are RBI, CIBIL, SEBI, IRDA. And the right answer will be CIBIL. Next question. Which is regarded as a queen of Indian financial system? Which is regarded as a queen of Indian financial system? Your options are A. SEBI, B. RBI, C. Finance Ministry, D. BSE. And the right answer is RBI. Next question. Dash represent claims for the payment of a sum of money, sometimes in future, or a periodical payment in the form of interest or dividend. Let me repeat the question. Dash represent claim for the payment of a sum of money, sometimes in the future, and or a periodic payment in the form of interest or dividend. And the options are physical asset, fixed asset, financial asset, none of this. And the right answer is financial asset. Next question. SEBI was established in dash. When SEBI was established, and the options are 1988, 1985, 1991, 1990. And the right answer is 1988. Next question. RBI started functioning on dash. When RBI started functioning, and the options are A. 4th January 1935, 4th January 1948, 1st April 1982, and 4th January 1945. What is the right answer? I repeat the options. A. 4th January 1935, B. 4th January 1948, C. 1st April 1982, D. 4th January 1945. And the right answer is 4th January 1935. Next question. National Housing Bank is fully owned subsidiary of dash. National Housing Bank is fully owned subsidiary of dash, and the answer is options are A. HDFC, B. HSBC, C. RBI, D. HUDCO. And the right answer is RBI. Next question. Dash has the statutory power to regulate and promote the Indian capital market. Think. Dash has the statutory power to regulate and promote Indian capital market. And the options are Registrar of Issue, B. Merchant Banks, C. SEBI, D. RBI. Simple. And the right answer is SEBI. Next question. Any company making a public issue of value of more than dash is required to file a draft offer document with SEBI. I repeat the question. Any company making a public issue of value of more than dash is required to file a draft offer document with SEBI. And the options are 100 lakhs, 25 lakhs, C, 50 lakhs, and 10 lakhs. And the right answer is 50 lakhs. Next question. Dash committee was constituted by SEBI for deciding about derivatives trading. Dash committee was constituted by SEBI for deciding about derivative trading. And the options are A. L.C. Gupta, B. R.L. Gupta, C. Vagul Committee, D. Malhotra Committee. and the right answer is LC Gupta committee. Next question. RBI is the lender of last resort for dash. RBI is the lender of last resort for dash, and the option is central government, B state government, C stock market, D commercial bank. I repeat, of the first option is central government, B state government, C state markets, D commercial banks. And the answer is commercial banks. Next question. The market regulator of Indian capital market is, who regulates the Indian capital market? What are the options? Option A DFHI, option B RBI, option C SEBI, option D STCI, and the right answer is SEBI. Right, guys? Can we proceed? Let's go to the next question. Who facilitated the transfer of funds from savers to borrowers? I repeat, who facilitated the transfer of funds from saver to borrowers? The options are goods market, B money market, C financial market, D consumer market. I repeat the options: A goods market, B money market, C financial market, D consumer market. And the right answer is financial market. Let's go to the next question. Which market is a market of old issues? Which market is a market for old issues? And the options are money market, primary market, secondary market, all of above. Money market, primary market, secondary market, and all three. And the right answer is secondary market, where you can buy or sell old issues. Next question. Which of the following is a financial asset? Out of given, for example, which of the following is the financial asset? Option A gold, B silver, C share, D land. Simple. Which is financial asset? A gold, B silver, C share, D land. And the right answer is shares. Next question. Which of the following is a cash asset? Which of the following is a cash asset? Options are A deposit created out of loan, B share, C bond, D post office certificate. And the right answer is deposit created out of loans. Next question. Government bond is dash. Government bond is dash, and the options are short term security, long term security, medium term security, either A or B. And the right answer is long term security. Next question. Money market deals with dash instruments. Money market deals with dash instruments, and the option for you is A long term, B short term, C medium term, D all of these. And the right answer is short term. Next question. The market for extremely short period loan is called dash. The market for extremely short period loan is called dash. A call money market, B money at short notice, B T-bill market, D G-Sec market. I repeat the options. A call money market, B money at short notice, C T-bill market, D G-Sec market. And the right answer is call money market. Next question. Dash act as an intermediary between government and money market? Who act as an intermediary between government and money market? The options are A RBI, B SEBI, C commercial bank, D all of three, all of above. And the right answer is RBI. Next question. Dash are drawn by contractors on government departments for the goods supplied to them. Dash are drawn by contractors on the government department for goods supplied to them. And the options are A treasury bill, B supply bill, C bill of lading, D documentary bill. And the right answer is supply bill. Next question. The bill which does not require acceptance is called dash. The bill which does not require acceptance is called dash. The options are A treasury bill, B supply bill, C bill of lading, D documentary bill. A treasury bill, B supply bill, C bill for lading, D documentary bill. And the right answer is treasury bills. Guys, before going to the next question, let me tell you there's a gift for you at the end of this video, so stay with us till end. There are two benefits. The first, you learn the complete thing. Second, you can get the gift for your lifetime career benefit. Now, next question. Dash are important instruments of short-term borrowing by the government. Dash are important instruments for short-term borrowing by the government, and the options are A. National Savings Certificate, B. Bonds, C. Treasury Bill, D. Any of above. Option A. National Savings Certificate, B. Bonds, C. Treasury Bills, D. Any of above, and the answer is Treasury Bills. Next question. Dash is a market for bankers' acceptances. Dash is a market for bankers' acceptances, and the options are A. Discount market, B. CDs market, C. Interbank participation market, D. Acceptance market. What is the right answer? And the right answer is acceptance market. Next question. Accommodation bills are also known as dash bills. Accommodation bills are also known as dash bills, and the options are A. Kite bills, B. Wind bills, C. Supply bills, D. Both A and B, that is kite bills and wind bills. And the answer is both A and B, kite bills and wind bills. Next question. Ad hoc treasury bills are issued in favor of the dash only. Ad hoc treasury bills are issued in the favor of the dash only, and the options are treasury, B. RBI, C. Commercial banks, D. State government, and the answer is commercial banks. Next question. Dash are short-term deposit of specific maturity similar to fixed deposit. Dash are short-term deposit for specific maturity similar to fixed deposits. The answer is commercial paper, A. Commercial paper, B. Interbank participation certificate, C. Repo, D. Certification of deposit. A. Commercial paper, B. Interbank participation certificate, C. Repo, D. Certificate of deposit, and the answer is certificate of deposit. Next question. Dash is an unsecured short-term promissory note issued by credit-worthy companies. Dash is an unsecured short-term promissory note issued by credit-worthy companies, and the options are A. Commercial paper, B. Inter-participation certificate, C. Repo, D. Certificate of deposit, and the answer is Interbank participation certificate. Next question. Discount and Finance House of India was set up in Dash. Discount and Finance House of India was set up in Dash, and the options are 1982, option B 1988, number C 1992, D 1969, and the right answer is 1988. Next question. Discount and Finance House of India was set up in pursuance of the recommendation of Dash Committee. Who recommended that? Discounts and Finance House of India. And the options are Malegam, A. Malegam, B. Malhotra, C. Vagul, D. Nashimman. And the right answer is Vagul Committee. Next question. Dash has been set up mainly to provide a secondary market in government securities. Dash has been set up mainly to provide a secondary market in government securities, and the options are A. DHFI, B. OTCEI, C. HTCID, and SDL, and the right answer is HTCI. Thank you guys. Thank you for being with us. Now there's a time of gift. Go to the description box. You'll find a link. Click to the link. It will take to a web page where the gift is there. Explore which gift you want. It is much a wonderful gift for your career and your financial freedom. So be with us. Thank you so much for being with us. Share these MCQs to your friends and families who are participating in any competitive examinations. This will be very helpful for them. Thank you so much. God bless you. Wish you all the best.